Hi, I'm Giovanna. I'm artist. I live in New York. I remix music. I create artwork. If you like my video, please share it to your friends and family. The Lady of Camellias is a story about a girl from the bottom line who becomes a socialite and escort in Paris. She wears a white and red camellias in her outfit. The Lady of Camellias is a novel by Alexandre Dumas Fils. It's a memoir of a short romance with the courtesan Duplessis. She drives her car and has a hip-hop girl look. I think chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, all these are 3 reflections from the mirror, means 3 personalities. Chapter 1. Jisoo is a singer from BlackPink. She picked her clothes from her apartment's wardrobe. She picks her outfit like Dejavu. She sees something in the mirror and has a daydream. Chapter 2. She transforms from an innocent girl into a badass girl, like a caterpillar, transformed into a butterfly. She runs away from the bad romance. Say goodbye to the bad romance. This chapter is tribute to Mona Rue. Mona Rue is a derivative of the Lady of Camellias. Chapter 3. She is a material girl. In this chapter, 3 personalities appear in one place, like the name of the chapter, same place. I like to use her flowers for artwork. I'm impressed by Jisoo's debut single as a metaphor for a girl who goes on a date or something else. The visual with Cuban traditional ballroom dance, cha-cha. You can also watch artists react to Jisoo's flower. Like Jisoo's, please share these video with your friends and family. I'm really like these creativity, dance, and music. Share and like with your love.